Cari crew, what it do? It's your boy Cari B back with another video POV. You feel me? Father for dog keep asking what my car look like. Like, damn, man, y'all nigga know what my car look like. Man, follow me on Instagram, nigga. You don't know what that bitch look like, nigga.
Damage. Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. I just been getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as you can see, man. And today's title, before I even say that, man, if you are new, hit that subscribe button, man, so you can be a part of the Cari crew. And also hit that like button, man. Get the video to 100 likes at least, you know what I'm saying? Trying to go up all year. This is crazy, bro. Look at this. How you don't have a sign for a heads up, bro? Like, who just close a road and don't even, in a curve at that, and don't even say nothing? That's wild. That's so wild. That's a great way to start the vid. But yeah, man, make sure I hit that like button, man, for my pain and suffering and wasting gas. Coming down here. And it's cut off. But yeah, man, make sure I hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. Oh, I ain't trying to go in that gravel, I ain't gonna lie. I have to keep backing up. But yeah, man, as y'all can tell by the title, man, as y'all can see, we finna do some testing, man. A few little test runs. We finna do a little 0 to 60, man. I might use a 0 to 60 on here. I'm probably just gonna count to myself. But I'm gonna do a little 0 to 60, man. This nice little spot right here. Let's start it. I'm gonna try. I might get y'all some outside view footage. I don't know yet, so don't quote me on that. I might get y'all some though. I don't know. I gotta find some way to prop the cam, but I might get y'all, boy. You know what I'm saying? Some outside view. You know what I'm saying? Outside sound. See how Olivia sound from the outside. You know what I'm saying? Some little flybys. Whatever. You know I gotta roll the window down. See how, boy, can hear that thing. So how I'm gonna do this, bro? Should I just use the drive modes? I mean dang, how do you get to that? I forgot what it was called, but y'all know what I'm talking about though. I just can't think of it right now. We're gonna do this together. We're gonna do this together, Cari crew. I'm trying to get the sun. I don't know why. It's such a glare. My performance pages take so long to load up. Mine usually don't take that long. But it's whatever, man. Oh, I'm tripping. I could have did all this on this. Damn, Cari crew. My fault, bro. That's my bad, bro. My bad, bro. I could have did that joint right here. I'm so slow. But yeah, man. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't need that now. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm doing it in one hand. I don't feel like putting what you call it on. How you use it? Bruh, I literally was trying to multitask so bad, Cari crew, bro. I ain't even show y'all really what I was trying to do. I'm gonna try that again, bro. I'm tripping. I was trying to do too much. I don't know why I was holding the camera like that. Go ahead, bro. But yeah, my bad. Oh my gosh, all these cars. My bad, right, bro. Hey, all right, look. That's how it look. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Let me show you something like that. You feel me? All right. Now let's get to it. I'm gonna have to try to lunch for real. I ain't gonna need to count that one, bro. I really need to do launch control. Cause launch control, I'm trying to worry about not spinning. You know what I'm saying? And holding the camera. I know y'all probably gonna be like, that's what you need to put on the head mount. I don't feel like putting it on the head mount, man. That's what I just said, didn't I? Huh? Did I just say that? Let me chill out. But yeah, look. I'm gonna use launch control this time. I'm gonna use launch control this time, bro. And we're gonna see what's to it, man. We're gonna see what's to it. I'm gonna do a little slight one. Probably do a little slight one right here. These rolls, these ain't the best rolls, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all just bear with me. But yeah, we're just gonna do launch control and I'm gonna count, bro. I'm gonna just count, cause all that other stuff. Oh, hold on. Let me get a second. Y'all know that. I heard that. Y'all heard that, right? I wasn't the only one that heard that, right? Alright. This video way overdue, bro. But yeah, we finna see what this 0 to 60 talking about, bro. I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna see. We're just gonna do one little test pull, and I'm probably gonna, you know, bro, cancel. Oh my gosh, bro. I really can't stand these cars. I hate to cancel 3 times, bro. All right, bro, let's go. Bro, that bit was like 5. It was like right at 5 seconds, bro. A little under 5. That bit had, I don't know what happened, but 1200 is not it though. Whoever launched at 1200, boy, you must got nitrous. You gotta be. Boy, that junk ain't doing nothing. That junk ain't doing nothing. Alright, we're gonna get one right here. We're gonna get one right here, car. Now we got it set up right. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, hold on. Like a 4.6. And I should have shifted it. I let it shift it on. Y'all saw that mother try to start doing a burnout? That junk crazy. I don't know why. Why would you have launch control and it do that? Like, alright, what's up with that? What's up with that car, dude? Sorry about that lighting, bro. I don't know what's going on. Okay, there you go. It's a little better. I don't know what's going on. But I want to put the camera down, bro, so I can get y'all some outside. For that really what was my main little, you know what I'm saying? That really was my main little objective. To put the camera down. But I didn't know where to pull over right here. Oh, but I can't turn around, though. Ooh, imagine sliding up under this bitch. Ooh, that bitch sound good. Good Lord, that bitch sound good, boy. That bitch sounds so good, boy. Let me chill out. Bro, me sliding under this bitch. Ooh. Car crew, 100 lights, I'll slide under this bitch. 100 lights. 100 lights, bro. I'm telling you, we can set that up. We can real life set that up. Let me get over some more. I don't want nobody to hit me. We can real life set that up. We can real life set that up, car crew. Yes, we can set that up, man. 100 lights, bro. 100 lights, I'll slide under that bit. 100 lights, I was sliding under this bitch. Hey, man, I'm finna set the camera up real quick. Y'all see how this traffic, but I'm finna set the camera up, man. And y'all pray that the camera, you know, stay up and stay still and stay right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna do that right quick. Hold up. We still in there. Cari crew. What it do? It's your boy Cari B back with another video POV. You feel me? Father for dog keep asking what my car look like. Like, damn, man, y'all nigga know what my car look like. Man, follow me on Instagram, nigga. You don't know what that bitch look like, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Well, y'all see, man, I gave y'all some tunnel pulls. It was gonna be a 0 to 60, man, but I really ain't really care for that. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't doing the do for me. As y'all can see, man. As y'all can see, hold on, let me get right. Yeah, man. Do what we doing, man. Let me step back some more, so I can really see what's going on. Yeah, man, y'all see we in the tunnel. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Big body tunnel, man. But yeah, y'all see what's going on. Everybody looking at me. Everybody looking at me like, what the hell that man doing? But yeah, man. For everybody be asking, this is Olivia. This is what Olivia look like, you feel me? Nice detail, nice details. Nice detail with the 5-spoke. Nice detail with the 5-spoke. As y'all can see, man, but I'm trying to get y'all the thumbnail. It might be the best one. What we don't doing for y'all, man? As y'all can see, man, tunnel pulls. It's hold on. Y'all might get all that, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all might get all that. But yeah, man, I just want to show y'all the whip right quick, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. This is raw and uncut Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta take me how I am, man. But look, y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. But y'all just want to get y'all the outside view, man, of what Olivia look like for all the folk that be asking. All the folk that be saying they want to see some more outside view, man. I got y'all. Read the comments, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can be respectful in the comments, but hey, I really don't care. You know what I'm saying? It don't bother me. But look, y'all let me know, man, in the comments, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all boy would like to see. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Like I said, 100 likes, bro. 100 likes on this video. The video gotta get like 2 or 3K, bro. 100 likes, bro. I'll come back and slide up under this bit right here. Up under the tunnel. Put the camera down somewhere nice. Somewhere in the back. Y'all really can see the whole view. And slide them up, man. Just a little bit. I may do it. I don't know. It may be nighttime. I ain't gonna lie. We out here in Mexico. Y'all can see nothing but trees. Nothing but trees. But yeah. Y'all let me know, man, if y'all wanna see me do that, bro, up under here and hit that thing. Echo, bro. I gotta get in video 100 likes, bro. If not, really 200. 100 likes really too light for that, man. I really need like 300 likes. But hey, we're gonna try at 100. And then if we get to 200, I'll really do it. 100, I'll think about it. 200, I'll really do it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all remember that. Get the video to 200 likes, bro. I'll really come back to this bit and slide. Probably daytime, but probably like later on when it's later. You know what I'm saying? When the sun just not finna go down. I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all see it and I'll be here. Hey, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Like I was saying, man, but I just want to show y'all what the outside of Olivia look like for all the people that be asking. Well, not people that be asking, but the dude, somebody commented and they were like, you know what I'm saying, record some outside footage and stuff like that. Which I feel you, my boy. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't got no cameraman. You know what I'm saying? I ain't big enough for all that yet. Once I get a cameraman, y'all can get all kind of crazy angles. You know what I'm saying? But hey, for right now though, y'all hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Like I said, get your boy to 9K. We less than 200 away from 9K, bro. Less than 200 away from 9K, bro. Y'all boy, give me the 9K. We walking into April with 9K. First week, man. We getting 9K, you feel me? But hey, like I was saying, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, now the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. Cari crew, y'all peep the crop, man. But yeah, man, you can touch it, man. You can touch the skies up there, man. You can touch it. You just got to keep grinding, keep pushing. Stay positive, bro. That's the biggest part. That's the hardest part for me, bro. Staying positive when everything kind of going slow. Stay positive, bro. Keep pushing. Just manifest it. Speak into existence, bro. Just speak it. You know what I'm saying? It seems like it take forever, bro, but it really need to be that long, bro. It'll be a year and you'll be like, damn, a whole lot of change. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man. Also, like I say, for all my religious folks, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Just keep him in your life. Pray at least every day, one time a day, bro, a couple. Just get your own relationship, your own understanding, bro. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, just build a relationship to where it's just coming, man. Like, it feels so just genuine and just effortlessly. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got to work on that too, bro. I'm trying to do that too myself. Y'all boys, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to sit here and act like I'm Mr. Perfect, bro. I'm just saying, bro. I'm telling y'all stuff that I tell myself, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's just sometimes, you know, we get a little hard-headed or we get a little procrastinated, you know what I'm saying? And can't be doing that, bro. We trying, bro. But anyway, man, I ain't said that to lecture y'all, boy, man, but it been long enough. Like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.